Always check your motherboard manual for M.2 slot priorities. Some slots share PCIe lanes with SATA ports, so you could accidentally disable SATA connection. This B650 board handles it well, but sometimes some boards have it, so just watch out for that. Also, one mistake that I constantly see, people forgetting standoff screws. If your drive isn't sitting flat, don't force the mounting screw. You'll crack the PCB and kill your perfectly good SSD. Always make sure that the standoff is right and in the right position first. And for any of you guys wondering why I only have two 1 terabyte NVMe SSDs,